If you're unsure how to wire a plug, this video will help you. Right, let's get some tools. Electricity is dangerous, so here's some safety information. Right, if that's understood, let's get wiring the plug. First step is to unscrew the screw holding the plug together. Then we'll loosen the cord grip. With that done, we can now take the plug apart. Here you can see the three cable terminals, the cord grip and the fuse. If you've got the right fuse, now we can get on with the wire. Now we'll strip the cables to make sure we've got enough for the new plug. Right, we're all finished, so let's screw it back together.